Kurumjay, a very good afternoon. You are watching Afternoon English Bulletin on Sktv'S and I'm Victoria Rajkumari. First, the headlines. NPP National President Conrad K. Sangma to visit Manipur, likely to meet state leaders and internally displaced persons at various relief camps. MLA Lokeshwar asserts if gunfight can be halted now, preventable states could have been averted. May 3rd violence. Without facing challenges in life, a true success can never be achieved, asserts MLA T.H. Radhesham. Security forces recovered 9-feet country-made rocket in Churachandpur. 2 insurgent cadres arrested in separate operations. And 36th edition of Loktak Day celebrated at Loktak Lairenbi Lampak, Thanga on full moon night of October, organized by Loktak Lek Development Organization. And now to top stories. National President of the National People's Party and Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma is expected to arrive in Manipur and meet with NPP state leaders amid prevailing political scenario in Manipur. He is also expected to meet internally displaced persons residing at various relief camps during the visit, which is likely to be for 2 or 3 days. Minister Conrad K. Sangma will also hold a press conference at Classic Grande on October 10th. The visit by the party chief is crucial as NPP MLAs in Manipur continue to have differences on the matter of supporting the BJP MLAs who are currently camping in New Delhi to push for restoration of a popular government in Manipur. Recently, former MP Dr. Lodho S. Fose had also joined NPP after leaving NPF. '24 Nambol Block Congress Committee organized Vote Chor Gaddi Chor signature campaign at Leimopokpum Bazaar under Nambol AC yesterday. The function was attended by Kundrakpum constituency MLA T.H. Lokeshwar, veteran politician Ojoy, Nambol constituency, former MLA N. Lokin, MPCC spokesperson Dr. Rabi Khan and Nambol Block Congress Committee President L. Biramani as the main dignitaries. Speaking at the function, MLA Lokeshwar referred to the president's rule in Manipur as BJP's president's rule. He also criticized the party for delayed response in the state's crisis, stating that timely action could have saved many lives and prevented the situation from escalating. Ex-MLA Lokin expressed apprehensions about the 2027 assembly elections, alleging that the BJP is reluctant to hold free and fair polls and unwilling to hold even the municipal election. Further accusing BJP for resorting to threats to garner votes instead of winning people's hearts, he urged the public to teach the political party a lesson in the upcoming election.
BJP की president हूँ। अगर वो सेंट्रल हाई प्राइस लेता होगा, नेशनल हाईवे को पंद्रह हाईवे सेक्शन में हमारा ऑफिसर कैप्टन ले सुनो। ताकि वो सारा कुकी की मर्जी का इम्पूल करने का में से ताकि वो ताकि मापन नहीं किया। अतो इम्पूल में मेरे ताकि मरीदा, अतो तो खाना भी कहीं होगा। अतो मेरी स्थिति भीतर से फेब्रुआरी मापन हमें बातों ना मेरे ताकि मरा तो हमें मरा How do you think we can do? I see it in the top I see Gala, both of the visual way to the one. Matam to the Happy Manipur, Jati Juno, Hypo Manipur, the Kanda, BJP party. Hana, when the Hapo, the Shanara, I'm Yenga, BJP party, Manipuri, Manu,
BJP na gram panchayat ja koina ma se ai gi ma gi khande daga chu party system lakti ab Ang sindi kaya ba? Ano municipality election di party system ticket la kada banila. Ay ko BJP si ay ko ni board di sangre Manipur ko na di bharta janata party ba ko si panbada ay ko na kaduki mati praja di samoya machinda boy hai na do vote wala tayo na piba ang pagdili ko di handa di lok sabha election da ay ko puri ba do ko na ne na ani dai di to wati praja ka samoy joy to na di ho na ko ina praja ki halla na ba mo na lawi ba ko te masida ki ni ba praja ka ni ki no ba sida ya ko cha ai khu be yo ko khu bi na dam na ba na ka ni to ba ki praja miyam ai ko no na ba ko ai ko mo ko no la no la ka vote pi ba di system se masi he to ni ki ai ko ni number ke da usse lo re ba ko na.
Manipur joined the nation in celebrating 93rd Air Force Day 2025 during a function that was held at Kongjom War Memorial Complex in Thoubal district. Speaking in the observance, which was organized by 1 Manipur Air Squadron NCC Group Headquarter Imphal, Hairok MLA Dr. Thokchom Radisham lauded the Air Force for its service to the nation. He added that Indian Air Force has contributed immensely in various war and relief efforts. The MLA also maintained that various youths of Manipur are currently serving in Air Force and contributing in defending the skies of the nation. He also lauded NCC cadets for their contributions to society and nation building. Speaking further, MLA Thokchom Radisham stressed on the need of overcoming challenges in order to succeed in life. Commanding Officer of NCC Imphal Headquarter, Brigadier Bikrant Kulkarni, Deputy Commanding Officer, NCC Imphal Squadron Anil Kumar, along with other eminent persons attended the program, which was marked by various cultural activities performed by school children and NCC cadets.
In life, without challenge, you cannot have a life. You cannot lead a life without challenges. In career, without challenges, you won't find a career without challenges. Even within your family, within yourself, within your conscience, there are a lot of challenges. So NCC teaches young boys and girls, their minds, they're trained to accept the challenge and to overcome, to face and to overcome.
In a series of coordinated operations, security forces and the Manipur police achieved significant breakthroughs against anti-social and militant activities across the state. On October 6, the security forces recovered a 9-foot-long country-made rocket containing explosives and a detonator weighing 200 kilograms from the general area between S. Lonfai and Tuikong villages under Churachandpur police station in Churachandpur district. On the same day, forces apprehended an active cadre of KCP PWG identified as Thokchom Michael Singh alias Munan, aged 25 years, of Nambol Kamong Mishna Maning Laikai in Bishnupur district from Kongpal Khaidiem Laikai under Porompat police station in Imphal East. A mobile phone was seized from his possession. Meanwhile, on October 7th, Manipur police arrested 2 individuals with 26.47 kilograms of contraband ganza from Awang Sekmai area under Sekmai police station in Imphal West district. The accused were identified as Ramjan Ahmed Laskar, aged 26 years, of Dakshin Kuchudaram village, Kasar district in Assam, and Mirsing Lunghar, aged 38 years, of Tainem village in Ukhrul district. On the same day, police also apprehended an active cadre of RPF PLA, Kongban Dabam Prioberta Mite, alias Boicha, alias Abung, aged 37 years, of Kwakaitel Kongjeng Laikai, from his residence under Singtumai police station in Imphal West. A mobile phone and Aadhaar card were seized from him. The 36th edition of Loktak Day was celebrated at Loktak Lairenbi Lampak Thanga on the full moon night of October under the initiative of the Loktak Lake Development Organization yesterday. The event was participated by several Tangkhul youths who travel all the way from Ukhrul, strengthening the spirit of unity among the hill and valley communities. As a part of the celebration, a half marathon was organized, collected water from Loktak, performed rituals at Loktak Laidenbi and released several fishling. The event was attended by Thanga MLA T. Ravindro, founder president of Loktak Lake Development Organization, former minister H. Sanayama, former LDA chairman M. Ashni Kumar, LDA project director N.G. Sanajauba, Wetlands International South Asia State Census Coordinator R.K. Birjit, Vice Chairman of Bishnupur Jilla Parishad T. Dinesh, and Ukhrul representatives Kasom Tony and Frankie Hunpu. Addressing the gathering, R.K. Birjit reflected on the current geopolitical situation, saying that the people of Manipur must redefine their connection with Loktak amidst the challenging times. He urged everyone to realize that Loktak is inseparable from the people of Manipur and emphasized collective responsibility to protect its waters and sustain its life-giving significance. On the occasion of the 48th Foundation Day of the proscribed group, People's Revolutionary Party of Kangleipak, PREPAK, which falls on October 9, the outfit has extended revolutionary greetings to the people of Manipur and paid tribute to its cadres who have lost their lives in the movement. In a message issued by its chairman, Aheba Angom, the outfit reaffirmed its objective of restoring Manipur's past political status and alleged that India's annexation of Manipur in 1949 deprived the people of their freedom and equality. The outfit also conveyed greetings to other revolutionary groups of the Eurasia region and acknowledged the efforts of media persons for their role in keeping the public well informed. The statement recounted what it termed the historical and political developments that followed the merger of Manipur with India, asserting that constitutional provisions such as Article 371C have prevented Manipur from functioning as a full-fledged state. It further alleged that India's policies have divided the indigenous communities and created tensions among various groups. PREPAK also criticized the establishment of buffer zones in the state, describing them as politically motivated and contributing to the ethnic division between hill and valley people. The outfit expressed dissatisfaction with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's recent visit to Manipur, claiming that it has failed to provide a concrete plan to restore peace, reopen the national highways, or facilitate return of displaced persons. The statement also discussed regional geopolitical developments involving India, China, and the United States, and alleged that India's border policies have led to demographic and social challenges. The statement further claimed that the recent unrest in the state was caused by a few individuals who lack a sense of unity and patriotism. It observed that many people have remained silent amid the ongoing crisis, warning that the failure to adopt the right approach could leave a divided Manipur for future generations. Reiterating its political philosophy, PREPAK stated that the idea of Kangleipak signifies the inseparable bond between the hills and the valley, encompassing both the land and its indigenous peoples. The chairman of the proscribed group asserted that this concept reflects the shared history, geography, and political identity of the communities of Manipur. Concluding its message, the chairman called for unity among all indigenous communities of the hills and valley and offered a revolutionary salute to its leaders, cadres, and members imprisoned or retired from the organization. Social activist Sanjoy Ahantem has drawn the government's attention towards addressing the issue of stopping a free treatment service for illness covered under CMHT and PMJAY schemes in impaneled private hospitals from November 6 onwards. He further termed the announcement made by Association of Healthcare Providers India, Manipur State Chapter as shock and unfortunate, while highlighting the untold miseries and financial distress being endured by IDPs and the general public amid the ongoing crisis in the state. He expressed concern that the decision of the private hospitals will severely affect them. Sanjoy then urged the state and central governments to clear the dues for treatment under the CMHT and PMJY in private hospitals at the earliest to further facilitate free treatment to the general public under the health schemes. The social worker also asked the government to provide a special package to IDPs for treatment, stating that they cannot even sell their properties even if they fail. Even if they fall ill due to a prevailing situation and creation of buffer zones.
IDP singda anaba yarku matamda log sing yon su buffer zone gi wang da leithokre yon be ade adu makoi awaba sing se amutang ubiraga yaragadi atuba matamda sigumba special health ki scheme mama particularly IDP singi the mutta state government amasigi thorang amasembio MST amasung PMJY chana roi dauri haibase ni laibok thiba adugumba paw amani mari lena bo authority singda lamdam masigi social work tawjeba social worker amoina amoi sengna haijari madudi Bharat Sarkar amasung Manipur Sarkar na PR Sarkar government asina miyangi wakat chetabire haraga Association of Healthcare Providers India Manipur State chapter gi phungdor iba paw gi wakumsi seriously lobire haraga
And before we move on to other news, let's take a short commercial break. We'll be right back. Keep watching SKTV News.
I am pleased to inform to the general public and the business community of Manipur Chamber of Commerce and Industries, Department of Textiles, Commerce and Industries, Government of Manipur, and Manipur Industrial Development Corporations are jointly going to organize a buyer-seller meet on coming 10th and 11th October of 2025.
Aiba event asida handloom, handicraft product, agri-food product, green and eco-friendly product mayamama showcase tajagani.
This high-impact summit aims to connect global buyers with Indian and international sellers.
Foreign buyer seller it's a good opportunity for all the MSMEs in Manipur.
Business Hana Ledimiba issues and challenges in support, Adam the Kokadiki Habitu, Omutana Kanazagini.
Manipur Global Business Summit, Buyers and Sellers Meet.
City Convention Center of Pangkok Chagani.
Ski High Barco, Makati, or the Lester Register of the National Government in
Great opportunity for local operators. SKTV is expanding. Come and be a part of SKTV revolution with high-speed internet, IPTV along with OTT and other benefits. We are building stronger connections through franchising. Become a local cable operator and provide reliable information and entertainment to your neighbors. Unlock your growth with our technology and top-tier service. So if you're looking for exclusive partnership opportunities, then please call us at 700-5259-437 or 897-420-9157.
Welcome back. You're watching Afternoon English Bulletin on SKTV. Now proceeding with other news. Second Mega Literary Meet, a two-day event organized by Liangmai Naga Katimai Raundi, Manipur, concluded yesterday at Tamai headquarters in Tamenglong district. The event held under the theme Building Confidence, witnessed an enthusiastic participation of over 800 attendees representing 9 schools from across the region. The literary meet aimed to promote academic excellence, communication skills and creative expression among students through various competitive activities such as quiz, debate, extempo speech and poetry recitation. Wizailu Damai and Kashilyanglui Abonmei of Langmei Higher Secondary School, Tamai, were the winners of the quiz competition, while Bengwangbo Damai and Bui Ninglui Mota of Hamai Tashki, Tamai, won the first runners-up. In the debate competition, Widai Luinglui Ringkangmei of Paragon English School, Makui, and Sajonglui Nizangta of Liangna School, Tamai, bagged the winners and first runners-up respectively. Paukcheng Wilu of Hamai Tashiki, Tamai, and Widao Rilu of Hamai Tashiki, Tamai, emerged as the winners and the first runners-up in the extempo speech competition. In the poetry recitation, Wijilui Abonmei of Liangna School, Tamai, and Zukhailui Riamai of the same school were the winners and first runners-up respectively. The event was graced by Chief Executive Officer, ADC Tamenglong, Kachathai Faiga Gangmei, DSP Tamenglong, W. Dikambo, SDO Tamai Rini Numai, Deputy Commandant Rajesh Konwar, Assistant Commandant CRPF K. Angambo, and Assistant Professor MTC ZN Siron as the main dignitaries. As a part of the 36th edition of the Go Green, Go Clean campaign of Eco Network Manipur, Hairok Patu Thokchom Laikai self-help groups handed over collected plastic products to Eco Network and handed over to Ashok traders for recycling. Self-help group member Kundrakpam Ibem stated that the initiative taken up with support of Eco Network Manipur and Ashok traders to collect is commendable. This initiative has helped in keeping the surroundings clean, prevent health hazards, and protect the environment. She stated that the initiatives of Eco Network Manipur have served as an example for others to follow. The participants expressed their hope that such voluntary work will inspire the creation of a model clean and green locality. Community members gathered waste plastic from their homes and streets and with coordinated efforts ensure its proper disposal and recycling. Both several self-help groups members and Mera Paibi groups resolved to continue working together for community cleanliness, appealing to concerned government departments for technical guidance and support. They also pledged to strengthen their activities for environmental protection in the future. Manipur University Teachers Association of Muta condoled the passing away of retired Assistant Professor of Department of Adult Continuing Education and Extension, Manipur University, P. Jamini Devi. In the praise order, Muta remembered late Jamini Devi as a sincere and dedicated teacher who contributed significantly to the course of Adult Continuing Education and Extension. Muta also observed 1 minute silence in honor of the departed soul while also conveying condolences to the bereaved family. Now moving on to national news, the 93rd Indian Air Force Day was celebrated at the Hingdon Air Force Station today, honoring the valor and dedication of the men and women in blue who safeguard the nation's skies. This year's celebrations carried a special tribute to Operation Sindoor, a defining moment in the IAF's legacy. The Indian Air Force, the air arm of the Indian Armed Forces, was officially established on October 8, 1932 as an auxiliary air force of British India. On this occasion, Chief of Defence Staff General Anil Chauhan, Army Chief General Upendra Dwivedi, Navy Chief Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi and Air Force Chief Air Chief Marshal Amarpreet Singh paid tributes to their brave hearts at the National War Memorial in New Delhi today. President Draupadi Murmu also extended greetings to all air warriors, veterans and their families on Indian Air Force Day. In a social media post, the President lauded the Indian Air Force for its exemplary courage, commitment and excellence in serving to the nation. She said that the air warriors have always protected the country's skies and contributed selflessly during disasters and humanitarian missions. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also extended his greetings to the air warriors and their families on Air Force Day. And before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. NPP National President Comrade K. Sangma to visit Manipur, likely to meet state leaders and internally displaced persons at various relief camps. MLA Lokeshwar asserts if a gunfight can be halted now, preventable steps could have averted May 3rd violence. Without facing challenges in life, a true success can never be achieved, asserts MLA T.H. Radhesham. Security forces recovered 9-feet Contra-Med rocket in Churchandpur. 2 insurgent cadres arrested in separate operations. And a 36th edition of Loktak Day celebrated at Loktak Lairenbi Lampak Thanga on full moon night of October, organized by Loktak Lake Development Organization. Well, that's all we have in this afternoon bulletin. Thank you for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates. Till then, have a great evening.